Alright, so we're going to do my little setup of how I do the titanium coloring. I have my cup with water, and then I have for my solution, it is called green stuff. It's called Clean Out. It's got sulfuric acid in it, which is what helps turn the colors. I have my little power supply. And for the negative side, I have two titanium turnbuckles that came off the SC10 4x4, the thick ones, connected to two negative leads. I have J Concepts fin turnbuckle, and we are actually going to do what is a baby blue. So I have this set at 39 volts. And we're going to dip. We'll start off. Don't let the leads touch. See how it's right at the edge of it. And we'll dip it in there. Kick on the voltage. Shut it off. And then you have a nice little baby blue color. Then all you gotta do is just flip it around and you get the other end of it. And that is the setup for each and every one of them.